Headliner Magic, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing a Dodge single cab truck, and as you can see behind me, this headliner is coming down drastically. But I'm going to show you guys quick and easy fix doing this headliner from start to finish. We're going to go over how to pull down all the accessories, strip off this old headliner, clean the board, and come in and give it a beautiful finish. Stay with me, guys. We're going to get into this right now. Alright, YouTube, first thing we're going to do is get ready to remove this visor clip. So we'll get our visor out of the way. We're going to use the assistance of a flathead screwdriver. This one's pretty small, but will do the job. You want to get in behind here and simply pry this thing down just a little bit and wiggle it at the same time. And you'll see it start to separate in between these two pieces here. Just want to wiggle it there. There we go. So as you see, the goal is just really to get your screwdriver in between this layer and kind of pry this little edge down. When you create this gap in between here, it pushes this little wedge down in the center here, which allows you to pull it out that hole there. Alright, so next we're going to go over to the visor and get ready to remove it. I'll reposition the camera. Alright guys, for this job we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. And there's two Phillips heads here, one here and one there. And so we'll remove those two screws. There's no wiring in here on this particular model. Alright, so we're back in the rear portion of this headliner, and we're getting ready to take down this hanger here. Originally it's closed like that. Just took my fingernail and kind of pried it down to unlock access to this hex bolt there, or Torx head. So I think this is a T5, and we're gonna go ahead and remove this screw here. As you see, just remove that one screw and then that clip is out. Next we're gonna slide over here and remove this light fixture here. And basically all you'll need is a flathead screwdriver to access one side of it and just pry it out. This thing's locked in by the light itself. You just wiggle it and pop it out there. Then you have to undo the wire connection here. Take your flathead and go in it here sideways and just kind of pry it out of there. Real easy and simple there. Of course there's one more clip over there, but I'm gonna grab that out of there real quick as well. Okay, now that all our pieces are out of this headliner, there's no grab handles on this model. So now we're ready to remove the board. I'm going to reposition the camera so I can show you guys how we get it out exactly. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do, this thing's sagging pretty heavy. We want to reposition your mirror here so we don't knock it down. You can undo this little Torx head there and pull that, take that mirror down so you don't knock it off. This might be a safe measure to do. And that's a Torx head as well. Let's use the same one that we used to originally take the rear clips down. So now we don't need any major tools here. First thing we want to do is grab this board here in the front here. It's very flexible, so you're not going to damage the board at all. So you want to grab it there and just move it out of this side pillar. Once it's out of that side pillar, remove it out of this front pillar. Okay. Then you want to stick your hand in the rear hole here and pull this headliner forward. There it is. So the board's down now. Now we're gonna do, I'm gonna slide myself out and we're just gonna lower this thing and bring it right out the side. Headliner Magic. I want to give you a quick overview of the new gadget that I'm using for my video. I have a little remote here. You guys might have saw it a little earlier, but this remote basically allows me to start and stop my iPhone over there on the tripod. So it's a new little gadget. I'm going to try to... How you reverse the camera?
You came in the middle of a video.
Okay. Alright, so this is the tripod here. Just want to kind of show you guys what it looks like. It's a new little tripod I'm trying out. Has a remote like I showed you earlier, where you can start and stop the video. So I'm using this to record our video that we're on right now. If you guys are interested in purchasing this item, I can leave a link below where I got mine from. Very nice little gadget if you're doing home videos or YouTube videos. Guys, so we're going to get ready to remove this old headliner material. We picked out a matching headliner for it, which is our sand gray. I'll leave a link to this roll of material down in the description below. We're going to go ahead and remove this old material. That's pretty nasty. I want to show you guys that that's a real good match for the original. Material on here using a high temp adhesive. Access to the grinder that I use, you can use a wire brush. This works just as well to remove the dead foam off the board. All right, guys, at this level, this is where I get ready to trim the edges. I leave about a half an inch to an inch on the edges, just so I can wrap. Accessory holes, all your visor clips, and your sun visor hole, and your interior light. Accessory holes are cut. We're going to get ready to reinstall this back into the vehicle. So I'll reposition the camera again and we'll go at it one more time. So now I got this thing installed. I'm going to go ahead and push in my clips, visor clips. See? And they just push into the holes, push right in there. Then I'm going to reinstall my rearview mirror. And then I'm going to put in my visors. We'll put in our rear clips and our light fixture. This 03 Dodge single cab truck. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave links below where you can find this material and the wire brush, some adhesive, and catch you guys in the next clip. Let me know if you guys have another vehicle you'd like me to do, and catch you in the next clip. Headline Magic. So if you guys are liking the YouTube videos that we're doing for you, click the link down below to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next clip. Headline Magic.